products for research and developments, etc. These initiatives include setting of indigenous 5G test bed labs, opening of 5G use case labs in the higher institutes selected by DOT, funding to academia, startups, MSMEs in the telecom field through TTDF fund schemes, focus on chip developments, as well as PLI schemes for the telecom sector. The conduction of this program is again one of its kind initiative from our department in this direction. Although, uh, can I
Ma'am,
request
please
the
continue.
participants to mute their.
Continue, ma'am. I have done that.
Yeah. As we know, although the All India Council for Technical Education AICT has included 5G technology in its model syllabus, but however, many institutes, including those which have been selected for this 5G labs by DOT, have not yet started 5G courses in their respective places. To start 5G courses in these institutes and to better utilize the 5G lab infrastructure, it is necessary to impart training to the faculty members of these institutes. Under the guidance and blessings from Secretary Member T and DGT, this program on 5G technology has taken shape. On the announcement of FTP, the overwhelming number of registrations from every part of the country made this an all India program. I'm happy to inform that more than 325 faculty members across the country would be attending and will be benefited from this program. Primarily, the sessions will be taken by Shri Ashok Kumar, Deputy Director General at UP West LSA, and also by faculty members of IIT, NIT, and other institutes. Here, I would like to thank DG Anti-IPRIT and his team for wholehearted support in this endeavor of training the trainers program by UP West LSA DOT. The utilization of anti-IPRIT resources like MS Team platform for such a large number of registration, DigiLocker facility for issues of certificate, use of their resource persons, etc. really praiseworthy. We thank you, DG Anti-IPRIT, for this endeavor. In this program, we have participation from senior officers of DOT field units. Also, in addition to the faculty members of these 100 institutes. Once again, I would like to congratulate all of you for being part of this FTP, which has distinguished participants, research scholars, and faculty members. I anticipate a magnificent outcome of this FTP under the guidance and blessings of all the seniors. Wishing everyone a very enriching and fruitful learning experience ahead. Thank you. Now I request Mr. Ashok Kumar, DDG, UP West LSA, to give a brief detail about the program. Mr. Ashok Kumar.
Thank you, ma'am, for your address. So I'll just brief about this program, ma'am. So this is a 30 hours, 3-week course set. But since there are holidays in between, so it is going to 4 weeks. And based on request from faculty members, we have also added certain more topics. So we have increased a bit hours also. So overall, instead of 30 hours, it will be around 45, 50 hours, but within the same time frame. 2 hours daily, generally 11 to 1. Extra sessions are from 10 to 11. So that way we are covering about 50 hours of sessions, sir. We are trying to cover all aspects of 5G, sir, starting from evolution of technology from 1G to 6G, capabilities of 5G, use cases, what are the different technology inside 5G features, 5G core architecture, 5G radio architecture, even Open RAN, dynamic spectrum sharing, network function virtualization, quality of service, 5G security. And we have also added advanced topic. For example, when we were calling nominations from faculty members, we had requested that they should spell out what is their area of expertise and whether they would also like to take sessions in a collaborative manner. So we received many responses, and we have in fact added a lot of new research topic related to 5G and 6G. That's why hours have increased, sir, and we are thankful to the faculty members from IIT and IT and other institutions to really take part in this, not only as a participant, but also as a faculty member. They will be teaching, sir. And as ma'am was telling, that we have participation from all across the country. If you see on the map, sir, so you can see that it is coming from all across the country, IIT and IT everywhere. So I'll not go into detail. So with this, now may I request DG NTI Prit Dev Kumar Chakravarti sir for his special address. So over to you, sir.
Thank you, Ashok. I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Respected member T of the Commission, Ms. Gunjan Dave, respected CRR Mittal, the DG Telecom, Shubha Bhammani, the additional DG of UP West LSA, Sri Ashok Kumar, the DDG of the course, LSA heads, and all the participants. At the very outset, on behalf of the NTI PRIT, the nation's premier telecom institution on policy research and capacity building, I thank additional DG UP West LSA for conducting this meaningful program of this 30 hours online course on 5G as a part of the faculty development program. I wish it a big success. Today, see, everybody talks about this 5G, either it's industry, academia, governments, regulators, standardization bodies. But see, on earlier occasion, there have been 1G, 2G, 4G, LTE, but never this type of overwhelming response, participation, and involvement of all the units and the stakeholders was there. But when this time it is 5G, it is very special because for the first time, we understand that we have got a complete technology which can meet all the expectations from every corner, and the smaller deficiencies or the shortcomings that we used to encounter in the earlier technologies, those have been mitigated fully. Progressively, 5G is now being seen more as an innovation engine. It can transform the work processes, it can spark innovation, it has the capacity to change the paradigms of living and doing. The newer arenas are coming up with every possible combination of 5G. 5G and AI, it is given as the Industry 4.0 revolution. 5G and the computing, all sorts, cloud, edge, fog computing, 5G and the IoT, 5G and the metaverse, and etc. In fact, the fourth industrial revolution, the biggest catalyst, is now considered to be the 5G associated with the artificial intelligence. The 5G technology is expected to generate approximately $13.2 trillion global economic value across the industries and around 22.3 million jobs by 2035. But to derive such benefits, nations need to deploy the technology first, then assimilate the technology. Every country is trying to do it, but the majority of the countries are failing due to a diverse set of challenges that require an unprecedented level of coordination between the business and the government, among the service providers, industry and the industry association, academy, and the society. Only 95 countries out of 195 countries in the world so far has made some meaningful penetration or deployment of the 5G technology. But in India, it is a success story. We have already developed the 5G stacks of our own and now trying to export it to other countries. Again, the 5G rollout in our country has been one of the fastest in the world. It has outbeaten even the developed countries since its launching sometime, in October 2022 and up to August 23, approximately 330,000 towers, 5G towers have been deployed in India. The speed was enormous. It was almost 7,568 towers every week. After the fastest deployment, now it is the time for India to derive the benefits of this innovation engine in all types of uses. Many startups have come up in India. Government has funded the commissioning of the 100 5G use case labs in 100 such institutions all over the country to master this technology. Make this as a stepping stone to lead the 6G technology and also to foster the innovations in every field in an unparalleled way. The installation and commissioning of the 5G equipments are scheduled to start in the respective institution from April 2024. Keeping this in view and to ensure the faculty development and pre-commissioning readiness, our institution, the NTI PRIT, has already held 3 zonal workshops in physical modes. with all the beneficiary institutes of the 5G labs at IIT Roorkee for the North Zone, at IIT Guwahati for the East Zone, and at IIT Gandhinagar for the West Zone. All the nominated models, the faculty of the beneficiary institutes have been given the best of the experiences by NTI-PRIT by bringing the expert speakers, startups, academia, industry, and the government representative under a single umbrella. We are, of course, conducting the last zonal workshop at IIT Chennai, starting from 1st and ending on 2nd of April for the South Zone beneficiary institutes, their faculties and nominated nodals, and the students. Towards this vision, this online course organized by UP West LSA for the faculty development is another step forward. My sincere thanks to UP West LSA for this venture. Very importantly, I would like to mention here the 5G use case lab at NTI-PRIT is likely to be commissioned by end of April 2024. We are almost in a very advanced stage, and NTI-PRIT is now planning to open up this lab for demonstration, faculty development, experience gaining and sharing on the 5G technology and the innovational aspects to all the 100 beneficiary institutions and beyond in a phased manner, possibly sometimes from the month of June 2024 onwards, in due association with the startups and academia. With my sincere thanks once again, and wishing a big success to this particular course, my thanks to all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your you have elaborated that how NTI-PRIT is taking various steps so that the 100 5G lab can be utilized in a better way, and also a lot of training which you are imparting so that even the engineering college could start the 5G related courses. So thank you, sir. Now it's time for inaugural address. So may I request Ma'am Gunjan Dave, Member Technology, DCC DOT, for her inaugural address. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Dear members from various faculties from different colleges, my colleagues DGT Shri Mittar, DG NTI-PRIT Shri Chakravarti, additional DG Shubha Bhambani, and all my other colleagues, senior colleagues, and other officers from DOT. As we know, 5G services were inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister on 1st October 2022. Since then, over 4 lakh 5G BTSs have been installed, covering more than 97% of the cities and 80% of the population. India has witnessed the fastest rollout of 5G and is also one of the leading digital economies in the world, with a huge potential for data-driven innovations. 5G, with its faster speeds, lower latency, and ability to connect huge number of devices than previous generations of mobile technologies, is envisaged to lead to a more efficient and productive society and a stable economic impact. 5G supports use cases for all sectors of the economy. Some examples are hospitals which can be equipped with 5G devices that enable remote surgery, patient monitoring, and smart ambulances that communicate with doctors in real life. 5G enabled factories in which connections can be made among more sensors than ever before. Smart schools with 5G connected classrooms. Agriculture with IoT sensors for smart field operations, and many more. 5G lab infrastructure and trained manpower is the basic requirement for building infrastructure for 5G, its operations and maintenance, and developing India-specific use cases. To leverage these services, the DOT proactively undertook various measures, such as setting up of 5G test beds, the task of updating the updating the curriculum in the engineering colleges oblique institutes, development, imparting training, and building associated lab infrastructure, setting up of 5G use case labs. 100 5G Labs initiative is an endeavor to realize the opportunities of 5G by encouraging the development of 5G applications to cater to India's unique needs and global demands. DOT took up the case with AICTE for including 5G technology in its model syllabus, and it has been agreed by AICTE also. but it's still the course is yet to start in many of the colleges. And the basic requirement to start the college a course in the college is training to the faculty. And I appreciate this initiative and effort of UP West LSA to start this faculty development program. I'm told that a large number of faculty, in fact, I'm seeing now 248 people have already logged in, and research scholars from 25 IITs, 4 IIITs, 23 NITs, 9 specialized institutions, and 64 other universities and institutions are participating in this FDP program. I congratulate all of you on joining this unique program, wherein professors from IITs and IIITs, NITs, and other universities will have the opportunity to interact with each other. As all of you are experts in some specific area, I think this is an opportunity for you all to contribute in developing a compendium of 5G based solutions and use cases, creating various experiments for 5G for UG from different branches of engineering, identifying research areas of advanced 5G, 6G, quantum, digital ledger techniques, security, and other areas. I request you to test LSA and NTI PRIT to create a few working groups with members from amongst the participants of this course and assign them some topics, problems to work on, and continuing working even beyond faculty development program. These working groups can become the bridge between the academia and government. With this, I conclude and declare the faculty development program open. Wish you all a happy learning. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for inaugural address, and thank you for encouraging UP West LSA. And as suggested by you, ma'am, we will definitely form some sort of working group within the faculty members, and we would request them to work on different experiment which can be done using the 100 5G lab which are being installed, and also what kind of research would be possible. So, and it can be a collaborative way of learning, sir. Created. I mean, if one institute creates something, that can be shared with all other institutes also, sir. Those working group can continue to work as a bridge between us and academia. So thank you so much, ma'am, for suggesting that. With this, may I request my ADG Madhukar, SK Madhukar, to offer formal vote of thanks. So Madhukar, over to you.
Yes. Distinguished, Distinguished Senior Officer, Member Technology and DCT, Honorable Ms. Gunjan Dave, ma'am. On behalf of UP West LSA, we express deep and sincere gratitude of your gracious presence and invaluable contribution in inaugurating this faculty development program on 5G technology. Your profound guidance, insightful perspective, and inspiring words have illuminated our way forward and has set the tone of excellence and enthusiasm for the entire faculty development program on 5G technology. Your blessings are always with us. Your guidance and leadership are evident on numerous occasions, whether at IIT Roorkee, at JP Institute Noida, or in our current endeavor or of this faculty development program, have constantly raised the bar of success. We deeply value your engagement, your presence, and invaluable guidance you provide to us. We are truly grateful for the time you have taken from your busy schedule to grace us with your presence and enrich this inaugural session with your wisdom. Once again, we extend our warmest and heartfelt thanks to you. We are deeply honored to have the opportunity to host DG and TI Prit, Sri Dev Kumar Chakravarti sir, in this event. Your expertise, insights, and perspective have enriched our gathering, creating a vibrant atmosphere for intellectual exchange and learning. Your previous leadership as the head of UP West LSA remains memorable. We hold the warm and pleasant interaction in our treasured memory. Your unwavering support and encouragement are immensely appreciated, and we extend our heartfelt thanks and gratitude for your continued guidance and support. Additional DG Telecom UP West LSA, Srimati Subha and Bhammani ma'am, Our esteemed leader stands as the torch bearer in this journey of the faculty development program on 5G technology. Today's milestone achievement is a testament of your leadership and incitement guidance, taking us to new heights of excellence. Words alone cannot convey our profound gratitude. Please accept our heartfelt and warm thanks and gratitude for your valuable contribution. We wish to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed and knowledgeable speaker, Sri Ashok Kumar Sir, DDG R2 Technology, for sharing insights of this faculty development program with us in this inaugural session. We anticipate many more engaging learning opportunities ahead. Your passion for your respective field and your dedication to share your knowledge have been instrumental in bringing this faculty development program on 5G technology to a reality. We express our sincere thanks and warm gratitude to you, sir, for your invaluable contribution. As we draw content on this inaugural session, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each and every participant, the team involved, our esteemed guests, and attendees who will carry forward the knowledge and inspiration gathered here. Your presence today underscores the significance of this moment, and we deeply honored to have you with us as we embark on this remarkable journey. A special appreciation goes to those participants also who have shown interest for taking sessions on 5G specialized topic. Your contribution will enhance overall learning experience. At the end, on behalf of the whole team, I, Sanjay Madhukar, the course coordinator of this faculty development program, express sincere gratitude to all. Thank you all, everyone. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Sanjay Madhukar. With this, with your permission, we'll close the inaugural session. Thank you, all the participants, and I request that please join at 11:45 for the today's classes. We'll introduce the syllabus and also take at least one session. So thank you so much. Either you can continue joining or you can join at 11:45. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
so much.
अच्छा है कोलैबोरेटिव हो गया
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.